this a felony? Oh yeah! Jake! Woo. Oh my god, fish! I am with Jake, the garden snake. Here in Texas. This is a stunt lot. It's just a lot. We just stun it. Jake let me ride the MT. What do you call this?
TW700 is the name I like now.
TW700, which is just it's a violated FZ07. Ah! Ah. Shit. Ah!
It hooks so good.
It hooks. This is so much fun.
Isn't it crazy?
The motherfucker went all out with it. You got the roto packs, you got some extra fuel, he's got a bunch of luggage space. When you do off-road this, that is really hard, and I did hit my on it. It's really hard.
Normally there's luggage right here, and it kind of creates a backrest.
I need to do something there. Like the stunner foam or whatever.
My ass is hard.
Okay, well, you're tougher than I am.
I've just been married for a long time.
Does she peg you? I guess this is like kind of like a dual vlog, I guess.
I'm just calling you.
Okay, well, I guess this is episode 1. I'm gonna interview Jake. That's what's gonna happen, and we're gonna start it right now. Hey, Jake, how long have you been riding?
I don't know.
Has it been 20 years yet?
I'll tell you, I bought my first real bike was 2004. That was an R6.
Oh, look at that, Jake's doing a wheelie. Oh my God, Jake's doing a wheelie.
Oh, fish man. Woo!
Oh my God, I can get the lift and force. I don't know where we're going. Jake's taking me on an adventure. I don't ride off-road because I'm old and I hurt, but Jake's actually older than me.
I don't even want to say how old I'm about to be.
He's old enough to be my dad.
No, I cannot when I was like 11.
Yeah, you could.
Not good.
I could. I could know when I was 11.
You know, I honestly don't remember. That was a long time ago. Maybe I was shooting big at 11. I don't know. Oh, watch out, watch out. Random German Shepherd there on the side of the road. Did you see that?
No, I didn't. What's the smell?
That smell, that's methane. This was a landfill, and lately the torch has been off, so I guess we're just smelling raw methane. That should be on fire.
How grippy are these tires?
Grippy, fairly grippy.
Oh, I hit my ass on the thingy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I almost went over.
Let me get away from you.
That would have been really, really not good for both of us.
It would have made a good video, though.
I've been a huge fan of Jake for a really long time, and all I watch his videos for is background noise when I masturbate.
Go away, baiting!
That looks like a creek, though.
Yeah, it's dry as fuck.
You don't know about this Texas clay. It'll creep up on you, and then you have to make a phone call.
To Trenton?
Yes.
Holy shit. Yeah, it's really f***ed, isn't it? God.
Yeah.
This is so much fun. Oh, that's really muddy. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Ow! I just smashed my knee.
We crashed on the non-360 side.
Yeah.
What were you saying about handguards moving? That looks right, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's great. It's great, Jake. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, there's a random grill. It's a really nice grill.
Where?
Right here. Oh my God, somebody's making corn on the cob. Yeah, don't.
that rears. Oh, we go this way. We go this way.
Yeah, don't go the way I go. I'm dumb. I'm dumb.
Watch out, there's a ditch right here. Don't take that bike fast through it. It's crazy capable for what it is, but you got to remember that it is got like 5 inches to travel.
right in the ass bone.
Weren't you going to be asking me questions?
I was, but I'm currently entertained. The whole point of this whole or Meet the Rider series is what I was going to call it. I'm going to do whoever I'm blogging or interviewing, I'm doing their style of riding, right? So like you're obviously an adventure kind of person, or
I don't try to put myself in a category.
you're definitely your own unique ride, right? Oh God, Jake, you better go. In your 20 years of riding, or 21 years, technically it's 2005.
Stop calling me old.
Have you had any accidents that you didn't walk away from?
Yeah, on video in Thailand when I broke my ACL.
It's not broken.
When I crashed in Thailand, it was not a hard crash, but I broke my ACL. So I said I didn't walk away from it. I mean, I sat there on the side of the road and breathed hard for a minute and then got up and then kept riding for like 7-8 more days or whatever it was.
Of your accidents, what's the funniest crash you've ever had?
I tried to show off. It was stopping into a gas station just right around the corner from here. Past a car full of chicks, convertible down. And I tried to put the kickstand down, like land, and then like the bike slammed me into the pump. Obviously, I did not have the kickstand down all the way. And so I'm like pinned between the pump. I had to like act like my kickstand bolt was loose. I pulled out my multi-tool, was like putting the pliers on the bolt, I'm trying to like, and the bolt got loose there. This was my karma. I'm as a married guy trying to show off to some chicks in a car. So, now I just don't do it. Now I just act like a spaz when I see women.
Yeah, it's pretty close. Well, they're pretty close. Your bike was really nice and shiny until, and you know what's cool? At least you crashed it, not me. Because if I would have crashed it when I was doing wheelies on it.
But here's the thing, right? Let me tell you how much sleep I'm going to lose over this.
None. So your thoughts so far? I know that you had a little bit of a rough start on this.
Oh, it broke at the track?
Yeah, the oil leak.
Well, you know what? No, that was it. Because this is the experience. It's a European motorcycle. And it's going to do European things, right? But we have to just embrace it.
To be honest with you, the first video I saw you do on this, and then like the way you talked about the oil leak, I was like, this one's going to sell out. And then like your second video, you were like hard on him, and I was like, all right, you know what? He's giving him a fair shot, he's not selling out, but he's committed to letting them make it right.
I'm not a sponsored rider,
but I think that's better. I think that's better for the community. I think that's better for your content, and I think it's better with a relationship to the manufacturer. Jake, in your opinion, would you classify me as a stunt rider?
I guess because of Nolan, I would say no.
me and my wheelies.
You're like a fun street guy that has some real talent. I wouldn't call you like a stunner, because I say stunner, I guess I'm thinking like a lot, dude. Just go slow because there's kids around.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just wave at them. Hi, how you doing?
Even if he was drinking, like, I would trust a drunk man before I let a woman driver. That's not gonna make it a video. Yeah, dude. Let's just take this everywhere where you shouldn't be. Isn't this a felony to be like near railroad tracks? I'll go with the Jake told me it's okay. Oh, I forgot I have muddy boots, muddy shoes. Oh, there's a camera I just looked directly into.
So apparently my camera turned off. I guess the battery died. My bad.
I still need gas at some point in the relatively near future.
You keep talking about gas. You have a roto pack with like a half gallon in it.
I forget that. I'm sorry. It's not my bike. I just see a fuel gauge that's low and I'm like, oh no. Jump it. Yeah.
There's a dang old chicken there. Oh, there it goes. He's right.
Do you want to get gas before we go on this adventure?
You're not going to run out if it just turned on. And if you do, has it started flashing yet, or is it just telling you? Yeah, it hasn't even started flashing yet. It'll start flashing.
Oh my god.
You get like range anxiety or whatever?
I ran out of gas once and I had to call my mom to come rescue me, and she was very much not happy with me.
Oh my god, I'm glad I had a good gap behind you.
I forgot.
You have a 180 knobby on there and like 70 horsepower. It will just hammer shocks at people. Nice. Oh my god, fish. I was slowing down. I was like, this thing's gonna wreck. It's a wreck.
I told you I was gonna send that.
You blew through whatever this wood was. You just destroyed it. Look where you landed. Look at the crater you made.
That's all the distance I got.
But that's nuts on this thing.
Nah, I really thought I was way further than that.
Oh god, I messed up. Ah!
He's doing it. He's doing a wheelie. Oh wow, this gets a little twirly at 100. Oh, look at him. Now he's being cool. Yeah, oh yeah, hell yeah, brother. He's like, I'm gonna lane split. I'm gonna stand up to you. Wait, hold on, I got him. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Oh, no, brother. Brother. Oh my God, it's Jake the garden snake. The brother waved at us.
Fish here now in the Dallas area, trying to do some questions and answers. Kind of went to shit, but we had fun. And I crashed, and we got on a train. What are you doing? Don't put your card in there. Because I was going to pay for it. What a nice guy this guy is here. Bye, everyone. Bye on my channel. Bye on Fish's channel. Bye, everyone.